We need to find the slope if it is undefined, right, does not exist, and graph the line. So I'm actually going to first start by graphing this line. It's at y equals -3, so I know that's down here, and the line needs to be y equals -3 for the whole time, and so it's just going to be a line through this place where y equals -3. Okay, now we need to find the slope. There's a couple ways to do this. You could do this by making an XY chart and choosing some of the points. So like 0, 3, you could have 1, 3, -1, 3, and use two of those points with the slope formula to find the slope. But in this video, I'm actually going to tell you a silly way to do it that isn't the most mathematical, but it may help you remember. Don't know if any of you like to ski. I like to ski or snowboard, and so I just think of myself on the hill. If I'm skiing on a hill that's like this, what's my speed going to be? What am I going to be doing? So we're skiing, we're happy because we're skiing, okay? Get some ski poles. What's our speed going to be though? We're just going to be 0, right? And maybe that's good if you're just learning to ski. That might be good to be on a flat slope. Well, what happens when you get to a cliff? You get to a cliff and you're going to be, gravity, right? So you're going to be at the bottom of the cliff. Undefined, okay? Gruesome. I'm sorry, this might be a little bit gruesome, but your slope here is undefined because if you're on a cliff and you're skiing, you're in trouble. So hopefully this helps you remember if you haven't been able to before. If your slope is 0, or if it's horizontal like this, it's going to be 0. If it's vertical, it's undefined, okay? Or maybe you can think of a different way to remember it, but either way, make sure you keep those straight.